In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your iPhone from sending text messages to using iMessage. If you find that your messages are appearing as green text bubbles instead of the signature blue ones, it means your messages are being sent as regular SMS rather than through Apple's iMessage service. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of switching it back. First, let's ensure that your iMessage feature is turned on. Start by navigating to your iPhone's Settings app. It's the grey gear icon typically located on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to find the option labelled Messages and tap on it to enter the menu where you can manage your messaging settings. Now that you're in the Messages section, you'll notice a toggle switch for iMessage. If the switch is currently off, go ahead and tap it to turn iMessage on. When you switch it on, your iPhone will take a few moments to activate the iMessage service. During this time, it's completely normal to see a brief message saying waiting for activation under the iMessage slider. This is just your phone working behind the scenes to get everything ready. If everything goes smoothly, this message should disappear shortly, indicating that your iMessage is now active. Up next, it's important to verify whom you're messaging. Remember, iMessage only works when the person you're messaging is using an Apple device such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If your message recipient is using an Android device or any other non-Apple device, your messages will automatically send as standard SMS, which are marked by green bubbles. It's also worth noting that sometimes, due to network issues, or if the iMessage service is temporarily unavailable, your phone might default to sending as an SMS message. This fallback is handy to ensure your messages still get through, even if they're not in the usual blue. With this information, you should now have a better understanding of how to switch from text messages to iMessage and under what circumstances iMessage operates. If for some reason your phone isn't sending iMessages after following these steps, double check your internet connection, as iMessage requires either Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection to function. That's all there is to it. With iMessage now activated, you'll enjoy enhanced messaging features like sending high-resolution photos, videos, and even using special effects and apps within your messages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you resolve any issues with your messaging.